Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent these NORTIV 8 lightweight hiking boots to go ahead and tell you all about them, and that's what I'm going to do. I've been wearing these for about a week now, and these are now my go-to shoes for everything on the weekend. I just love these things. These are kind of a casual hiking boot. They are lightweight. They have kind of a tennis shoe look to them, but they are kind of waterproof on the top here. There's no canvas. This is all solid across the top. You take a look. The laces are nice. I like the fact that it laces up to your ankles. It does have padding around the sides. It almost, again, looks like a tennis shoe with some of the stitching and some of the styling, but it is sort of a lightweight hiking boot. It just has a nice feel look to it. It can work in both a casual or a dressy setting. So if you're going to go out to a restaurant or something, throw on a nice pair of jeans, these will work great. You're going to go ahead and go hiking for the day, these will work great. You're going to go shopping, just kind of hanging around town, just doing little things, also work great. These are just kind of a nice mix between casual and dressy shoe. Again, it looks a little bit like a tennis shoe, but they're really not. They actually have quite a tread on the bottom here. You can kind of see it's thick, it's chunky, it's good for walking, it's good for hiking. They're just really kind of nice shoes. I'm actually really pretty impressed with these. I wasn't sure if I would like them or not because I don't usually wear things like this, but I really like them. Now, these are obviously the black. They do come in different colors, and I might actually get the second color as well. I like the black right now, but I might want something warmer just to kind of mix it up a little bit depending upon what I'm wearing. So from a comfort level, yeah, they're great. You can go ahead and tighten the laces up however you want. I do like the fact that the laces are two-tone. They are both black and gray. I like that in a shoe. I like making your laces stand out. Obviously, you can put your own in. You can see that there's actually 6 holes or 12 holes total on the side, so you can figure out your lacing length if you want. They do look nice on the inside, by the way. There's a kind of a gray styling in there. There you go. Kind of a nice pattern in there as well. The padding is pretty normal. It's not super padded. It's not super soft, but it's also not gonna not like made out of brick or anything. It's a nice simple padding. If you want to go ahead and do a lot of hiking, you may want to put your own insoles in, but otherwise they're good. I do like the fact that I can tighten them up to the ankle and kind of give my ankle a little extra support there. That actually works pretty well. They are very comfortable overall. Again, they look good. I really enjoy these things. I really like them. My wife really likes them. She likes them on me. She thinks they look good. So yeah, highly recommended.